Ezibuhlungu ayipheli njengoba sekungena ezithi sekudlule umama weGidangoma laKhuzani uThibela. Lokho kudluliswa uKhuzani emva kwehora nje lidlulile egameni lomndeni ngokukhulu ukudabuka ngey'nhliziyo ezibuhlungu. Memezela ukudlula emhlabeni kukamama wethu esimthandayo, umama kaThibela, obeyinsika yekhaya. Lokhu kulahlekelwa kushiye isikhala esingasophinde sivaleke. Kunzima ukwamukela, sicela imithandazo yenu, uthando nokuseseka kulesi sigathi esinzima. Kwangathi umphefumulo wakhe ungaphumula ngokuthula. Isihlobo, abangani kanye nomndeni wonke ngithi dudu. Incwadi abese ikhishwe umndeni waThibela ithi, "On behalf of the family, it is with profound sadness and heavy hearts that announce the passing of beloved mother, the mother of Thibela. She was a pillar of strength, love, and guidance to our family, and her loss has left a void that can never be filled. We are deeply grieved by her passing and are struggling to come to terms with immense loss. We kindly request our prayer, love, and support during incredible difficulties time. May her soul rest in peace, eternally peace, and may we find comfort in the memories we shared with her. Sincerely, family." Abantu-ke babesebedlulisa okungenami noma-ke ukuphatheka kabi kwabo ngesehlo esehlele uThibela. Basebethi dudu kakhulu emndenini wakwaMpungose njengoba-ke udlulelwe ilunga lawo uma kaThibela. Ngane kwethu, ngaphandle kokumosha isikhathi sakho, cha, saze saphuka nathi siyiGoliva TV emoyeni. Siyacela-ke ukuthi sithi dudu sonke kuma kaThibela, njengoba-ke uThibela bekuyinsizwa besiye sikhulume ngayo la enkundleni zokuxhumana. Njengamanje ubisemanzini, siyafisa futhi ukuthi sithi dudu nokuzolana naye kakhulu ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana.